When I joined the program, dun ko na-understand, dun ko nalaman kung ano yung importansya ng community, like kakausap sa community, anong importansya na you have to own the problem.
It empowers us to ask our counterparts, our stakeholders, the people on the ground, to really ask what is happening, to know what are the current realities in the community.
It taught us how to engage more deeply with our stakeholders and how are we going to connect more with them.
The FBLP really helps me because the specific issues and the community that I really want to be engaged in and support in and see make a difference in deals with really complex and really very big problems and overwhelming issues. And being in FBLP, I know that it provides us the tactical strategies, the tools, and all the mechanisms that we need to become better.
The FBLP reminds us that as an individual, you don't know everything. It reminds you that you need to ask for help from others.
I am always reminded of ownership, co-ownership, and how this co-ownership will help me build something that we co-create with my community ng isang solution sa societal divide na gusto naming i-address.
So siguro parang ngayon, parang hindi na lang tayo masyadong boxed to the usual solutions that we are seeing now. At the end of the day, you will still be measured on how much change you bring to the communities that you serve.
I think every aspiring youth leader needs to see and learn the BL framework. A youth leader need not only develop himself, but needs to connect with the community.